Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed Kamal. Today is going to be an introduction for a RapidMiner Studio, and I will teach you how to use a classification RapidMiner. So why RapidMiner? So RapidMiner is a robust all-in-one package that allow you from data preparation, model building, model training, and also goes to deployment, and able to achieve all of this with the graphical user interface without coding. But the good thing is it's extensible. We can extend it to Java, R, or any advanced user, so we can expand it. And then this is the good thing is that's available for Mac. Right now we are using a Mac. It's also available for Windows. And the good thing is it's free. There are some advanced functionality with Enterprise, but most of us, we may not need that one. All right, so you can download RapidMiner through the RapidMiner website by downloading. So you can download that. This is the one that I have. So we'll have two parts. In the first part, I'll walk you through the RapidMiner interface. So what is the RapidMiner interface looks like. So when it goes to part 2, I'm going to show you how the classification using decision tree and naive Bayesian algorithm. And those going to cover on part 2. I will start from the part 1. So once you open your RapidMiner, you will be stayed in this browser. So over here you have the repository here. So this is the repository. So you'll have, so let's start from the view. So the view right here, we have the design view, the results, turbo prep, auto model, and Hadoop data. So you'll have here the file. When you open the file, you can start any process right here. Alright, I'm going to take you down to, I'm going to take you here under sample data process 01 learner under 01 decision tree. So with the decision tree, you just need to double click here. When I double click here, it's just going to become here under the process. Just going to expand here. Yep, this block are called operators. So these are the operators. You'll have different operators, and each operator has an input and output. Let's say retrieve operators have is when, for example, retrieve operator has an input and then an output, and the output of retrieve will be an input for a decision tree, and the decision tree will have an input. So how we know? This is the retrieve operator. So when you click the retrieve operators, will have a parameters here. So the parameter, you can configure it into different options. So in this case, the data set that been used is the golf. So it's a sample data set from the golf. Awesome. So this is something you can configure. You can change the data from here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and run the process and take a look at the results. So if you go ahead and click on the play button, so it will be resulted with the result. So here is the decision tree. So based on the training model, so we'll have this result. All right, I'm going to click design to go back. So anytime you make a change, you have to run it before you see the result. Let's say we can use a naive Bayes. Instead of the decision tree, I can use a naive Bayes. So right click on the link, you can remove connection over here, and then instead of decision tree, yep, you can click operator by selecting it, and you can place a delete. You can delete it. Yep, exactly. That's what we can do. That's it. Under operator over here, I'm gonna write for Bayesian. So Bayes, I'm gonna go ahead and find the Bayes. Alright, from the Bayesian, I can drag and drop it. Alright, naive Bayes. That's the one. So I can drag and drop it here. Once I drag and drop, I can connect it. Once I connect, if I click will give me some option here. Awesome. Alright, you can connect it to the output. Now you can run it. Here we go. That is the simple distribution model for the level distribution layer. Alright. Awesome. So this is the first episode that we have discussed about the RapidMiner, and we have used the Bayesian and also the decision tree. Alright, we'll continue with the next episode. Until then, this is Mohammed Kamal. Till then, have a great day. Bye.